In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make an org chart in Clickup. Start by opening Clickup and going into your team space. From the main area, look for the Overview section for your workspace. This is a good place to begin because it gives you a clear starting point before you create a new visual layout. Next, click the option to add a new view. In the list of available view types, choose Whiteboard. A whiteboard is ideal for an org chart because it lets you place boxes freely, move them around quickly, and connect them with lines to show reporting structure. Once your whiteboard opens, click into the canvas area so you are ready to build. Now you will begin adding the elements that make up the chart. Use the whiteboard tools to add shapes for each role or person. Keep the layout clean by starting with your top-level role at the top of the board, then placing the next level of roles underneath it. As you add more shapes, give yourself some space between rows so the chart stays easy to read as it grows. After your shapes are in place, use the connector tool to link them. Click a shape, then create a line to the shape below it to show the relationship. Continue connecting the top role to the next level, and then connect each manager role to the roles that report to them. If you need to adjust spacing, drag the shapes into alignment and the connectors will follow, which helps keep everything tidy. As you build, take a moment to keep the structure consistent. Try to align shapes and columns for each branch of the team, and keep similar roles on the same horizontal row. This makes the org chart easier to understand at a glance. If your org chart becomes complex, you can also import information from a spreadsheet, such as Google Sheets, and then use the whiteboard to finalize the layout and connectors. This can save time when you already have a list of roles and reporting lines prepared. Once everything is placed and connected, your org chart is ready to share and update as your team changes. That covers everything you need to know.